What are we out here doing today? Campaigning in Kittens. There's my campaigning. There's the Kittens. Y'all want to see the Easter group? Hang out. Everybody's seeping right now. Well, except for that one. Yeah. There we go. Yeah, you can see them. It's a little warm out here and they're used to being inside, so I'm out at the Sunshine and Sweet Tea Festival. So I'm doing a 2-for-1. I'm teaching people about foster kittens and hopefully getting more fosters, right? And I'm helping Senator Lowe because, you know, he's going to be campaigning next year.